Hey guys, welcome back. Doing an unboxing. This is from Googan Squad. Obviously, I like their stuff. I do have another package on the way, but let us start with some of the stuff that is already left out. So we got the Googan Squad beanie. I know, looking good. Fits real good, real thick. It's a thick hat. And then we also have this limited edition Mountain Dew hat from where they sponsored with Mountain Dew. Trucker hat. Love the collars of the Mountain Dew. I don't really know who that guy really is. If you guys know, let me know. So, guys, we have I think this is the Flamin' Hot bundle, which is the 3.3 Saucy Swimmer, the Rattling Ned, and Pure Passion as well. These ones might be a little harder to see, but these are like a Ned rig type of deal. The Slizzard, and so that these have like two moving arms, two moving legs, and that tail. And they do have a scent to them, like they're salted. 5-foot lunker or 5-inch lunker log. That would be crazy for a 5-footer. 5-foot lunker log would be crazy. The 4-inch Kraken Carl. Like I said, this is for that Flamin' Hot bundle. The Happy Trailer. So this is kind of like almost like a bait fish type, that little flappy tail. And then the 5-inch dart. You guys are probably going to see a couple of these. I got a lot of the darts. Bandito bug. That's going to be kind of cool to try out too. Oh yeah. A 1/2 ounce juicy casting jig in that Flaming Hot bundle. I'm super excited about that. I love jigs. So that is amazing to have. Oh, we even got the mini zinger. So we got like a spinner bait. It's a 1/4 with a Colorado and willow. And then we have the banger and the clutch. A little bit of a couple little differences besides the fact that this one has a bill on it. So the clutch is a sinking about 2.5 inches. This one is 2 1/4 inch, and this one dives about 2 to 5 feet, 3/8 ounce, and this is a 1/2 ounce. So those will be really, really cool. I got this just because of the spawning season that's coming up, and I just dumped them all on the floor. I'm going to be trying a lot more different baits. I just like Googan. And then we have 12-pound fluorocarbon. I got this because it does sink a little faster than mono. Valentine's Day Kraken Crawls, if I didn't show you those already. I got 2 packs, one for me, one for my wife. I already showed you the Mountain Dew hat. And then we got this bundle here, which doesn't have really a name to it here. Hopefully y'all are ready. Man, oh man, can I smell them scents? Another saucy swimmer. Let's see here. This says that it is a green gizzard shad. So those are gonna look really cool. The trench hog. So it's kind of got that longer kicking tail right here. You can see it's quite longer. These are called the blazing worm, and these things look crazy. Baby blue blazing worm 8-pack. I don't think I've ever used these before, so this is gonna be fun to use. They're kind of big. Bandito bug, which we always be using, and then let's go ahead and get this toboggan off here because it is hot. These are the 6-inch darts, so those are crazy big. These are some big baits. The Mundo worms, Pure Passion Junior Edition, the 7 1/4. So they're just kind of like a little skinnier, kind of with a U-tail almost. Bandito bug. Here we go. Here's a 10-inch Mondo worm. Let's see here. Lunker log and cinnamon. So it's kind of like a lighter worm. It's like a natural, almost natural worm color. The rattling chunk. So I think this is what's been greasing everything up because these bad boys look quite oily. I don't know if you guys can hear that. They got like a little rattle in there. Rattling chunk. Another couple little, a Ned rig that includes a rattle. Those will be kind of cool. This is in the Black Flash color. And then the Googan Toad in the Fire Crawl color. So let's open these up. I don't think I've seen these before either. And wow, oh wow, are these bad boys big. Pop open here. So it's like a soft plastic frog. Those are spicy. Those like those. They're kind of like a greenish and orange. If you guys hear him, my son is up here looking at the fishing bait too. He loves to fish, don't you, bub? Couple of the dragon drops. So those are looking a little crazy too. I don't think I've ever seen a lot of these, some of these ones. So I'm glad that I was able to get them. Another little rattling egg in the Canada crawl. And then for back to our big baits, the Slim Shake worm It is in a green pumpkin purple. And then we have a baby blue crack and crawl again. I did not know I had got this many baits, but we are definitely updating or getting some baits for this upcoming season. This is the dart bundle. So we got the dart hooks. These are the 4-pack 4/0 Gold Series hooks. These are the weighted dart hooks. 3-pack 1/4 ounce 5/0. Time for the big baits here. A 6-inch green pumpkin blue. A 6-inch pure passion watermelon red. Yeah, you can put it right there. 7-inch green pumpkin blue again. A electric shad collar. Those are really nice looking. And then the 5-inch California crawl collar. So those are kind of darker colors that I like. And then on to this new bundle box that I just got. Bandito flipping hooks, 5/0 4-pack. Some more of them Googan toads. The Mondo EWG hooks. A couple of the dart hooks. 6/0 3-pack. Crack and crawls, the Alabama crawl. The Lunker weedless wacky rig. A Mondo EWG hook and 2/0. Some Googan stoppers. Baby blue bandito bug. A Lunker log and the California crawl. 10-inch Mondo worm and the natural collar. If you guys could, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found some value in this video, I would appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.